mo na lang pag-gawin si Rowel, ma'am. Senior naman niya kita. Ay, sila naman, ano yan eh.
Sir, kung ano po pawis eh. Para lumabas na natin
Gathering the first.
Ilan naman sila ni Master eh. Bakit ako nanay lang ako sa white?
For this world.
Medyo ko lang naman.
Second place and third place.
Kaya nga.
Nakakakaba ng puso na nakikita niyo mga kata ng mga kabataan natin. Napakahusay nila. Amazing. Now let's go on this second part. Body protection action of Chester. That's the discipline of our players. Mga galing po yan, and UFC, mixed martial arts, stick fighting, and that's the discipline of Jet Squad protection agent na nakikita po natin. Yan po ang Jet Squad. Okay. Ayaw nilang nakapag-wear ng shoes, very little shoes. They want to be a champion.
Pangat mo.
Alright. Camera. Video. Alright. We're now on the competition of the round.